Hold on. Prince Anjo. That are some people don't know on TikTok. Some people don't know that the brother of the King of England and the King of the British Empire, excluding Jamaica. In Jamaica, I am the king. I are the king. That's one few that say, I are the king in Jamaica. But for the rest of the British Empire, is a man named Charles. And him have a brother, a younger brother, who follow him out of Queen Elizabeth womb, named Anjo. And Anjo was linking with a man named Jeffrey. And when we say Jeffrey is not Jeffrey, I can't tell you that link with. Is Jeffrey Epstein. He's a big time multi-billionaire white boy who do investments and some whole other thing, including sex of some underage girl with him big money than him get. No, I don't know yes or no in regarding to if him did do that. I know him dead in a jail and him say him that wait for trial in regard to that. But I do know that them have the King of England brother in a custody. Me work hard